everybody! Welcome to Paige's backyard. I'm Mommy.
And I'm Daddy. We're gonna go to Krispy Kreme today, get some Monster donuts for Halloween. We're gonna bring Paige, so follow us.
Let's go! We got our donuts!
Alright, we got our donuts, Krispy Kreme.
Yay!
There we go. We're gonna go home and try it and let you all know. Hold on.
Paige!
Hi. Okay. Hi everyone.
Hi!
We're home. We're back. Krispy Kreme. Okay. Mommy, what we have? We have a whole dozen of Halloween Monster donuts, right? Paige?
You wanna see?
Yeah. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Okay. Wow. So what's this? Frankenstein?
That's Frank.
Is it Frankenstein?
Yes, a donut filled with original cream dipped in green icing and decorated like a glass monster with icing sprinkled.
Yeah. Okay, the next one is Drake. Is that Drake?
Yes, a donut with raspberry filling dipped in light purple icing and decorated like a glass monster with icing and sugar paste ice. Wow,
I
I'm
don't
so
know.
excited.
It just sounds delicious. Okay, what is this right here? I do it higher so they can see that.
I believe that's Wolfie, an original glazed donut dipped in chocolate icing and decorated like a werewolf with chocolate cream, a sugar piece face, and cinnamon sugar cereal ears. But
this is what you get. Yeah, that's not Wolfie. Okay, I don't know what that is. That looks like a I don't know, chocolate donut with something on top. Okay, so they say that the Wolfie was what, they don't have the face,
they don't have the face.
They don't have the face or the hair.
Yeah.
I thought they make it on the spot. Okay, so that's our Wolfie.
Yeah.
All right. And because Paige dressed up her costume today, you get a free donut. Okay, so we'll show you this one later.
Do you like the costume? Not this one, the other one. The one she wearing.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so let's try some donuts.
We're gonna go first.
Okay. May, which one you want to eat first? You want to eat Frankenstein, Dracula, Wolfie? Yeah, let's not try that one. You wanna try that first?
I wanna try this one first.
Okay, mommy tried that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this.
Okay, let's see mommy. Okay. And then Paige is gonna try the what? The Wolfenstein?
The Wolfie.
Wolfie.
Daddy, what do you wanna try? Which
Okay.
one?
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and try. So basically, we're gonna spoil our dinner here right now. Oh wow, it's got filling. What's inside?
Oh, raspberry filling.
Wow. Mommy, how's it taste?
It tastes really good.
Okay. Wow. Okay. How about this one, Mimi? How about this one?
You like it?
Wolfie.
Yeah,
How is it?
good.
One.
Is it sweet?
I'm gonna try.
Is it chocolate?
spring.
Okay.
No chocolate.
Wow. Okay. Let me try. Okay. Let me try Drake. Yeah. Let me try Drake.
I like the icing outside. Tastes really good. Let me try the spring.
Oh. This is like a jelly donut.
Yeah.
See, look. Mommy, what are you trying?
The spring.
Frankenstein. Okay.
Does it have a filling inside? I
它被
don't remember. I don't
因
remember.
为它是被戳，
Yeah.
它是 zombie 吗？
No, it's a friend.
Okay. So other than the face on this though, it pretty much tastes like a jelly donut.
Hey, look. There's a cream inside.
Ooh, this one has a creamy filling. The Frankenstein. And it's got pretzel right here. Right?
Maybe you want pretzel? I'm gonna.
Hey, let's try something else. Let's try the next one. We can put this one back. Let's try the next one.
Uh-oh. The pretzel.
Okay.
The pretzel is not fresh.
Okay. The pretzel is not fresh. Okay. Paige, which one you want to try? You can put this right here. Let's try the next
我
one.
先放。
Yeah, 你先放. Okay. Which one you want to try? This one? Frankenstein? Drake? Dracula. 你要是 Dracula. 还是 pumpkin one? 还是 chocolate? Oh wow. Hey, show them that cream.
Look at the cream. This
Wow.
one's pretty good.
It's like cream filling. Okay,
How do
good.
you want it?
Okay.
Well, actually, I like this one.
More, right?
Yeah, I like this one more.
Okay.
But the pretzel is not fresh anymore.
So don't eat the pretzel.
Don't eat the pretzel.
Okay. Okay, show them the camera. Wow, what is that? The chocolate sprinkle? Okay.
I like this one.
So, mommy, which one do you like better? Let me try the Frankenstein. Okay.
Well, I think I like the spring. Oh.
Wow, it looks cool though. I like the look of this
妈
one.
咪说什么？可是不行吃，为什么？It's not fresh.
Okay, she said the pretzel, it's not fresh.
Daddy, you can try it. See yours.
Oh, it's soggy. I don't know if it's not fresh. It's just soggy because it's being set in a donut. Yeah,
Okay, I changed my mind.
I'm not gonna eat that.
I like this one.
Drake?
Yeah, I like Drake.
Drake better?
Yeah,
Okay, well let me try this.
I like Drake better. I'll change my mind. How was that?
It just tastes like donut with icing. There's no flavor. The green, there's no it's not green apple. There's no flavor to that. You do taste the chocolate on top, but the donut just tastes like a donut. There's no like Jake, you can at least taste the jelly. Let me try the filling.
Yeah, I like this one. I like this one better.
Don't be talking.
I'm already halfway through this one. I still can't taste the filling, so maybe the next bite. Okay.
So usually they will.
The filling's really sweet too.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one, I give it, I don't know, 2 out of 5. Right?
Yeah.
For me, it's 2 out of 5. It's just donut with icing, but it looks good though.
2 of 5.
Yeah.
What about that?
Drake. Let me try. Much better. This one right here, probably 4 out of 5. Drake is pretty good. You want to try that? The what is that? The pumpkin? It looks like pumpkin glazed.
Yeah.
How is that?
I just like the icing with the
Like-
original.
Like
donut.
like Frankenstein.
Yeah. What?
Let me take a bite.
What?
Okay.
Mommy, 你
I don't know
看，
is that a pumpkin?
你还有 pink，
So-
我喜欢的 pink。
This one looks cool though.
Yeah, I like that one. The
Yeah.
color.
Yeah, I like the color. Let me try it.
It's just the sweet icing.
Yeah.
That's all. It doesn't have any really.
It tastes like Krispy Kreme original
Yeah.
with the glaze, and some icing. The icing has no flavor. There's no strawberry. There's no pumpkin flavor.
How about this one?
I don't even taste chocolate on this.
Let me try this one. So
It just tastes like original Krispy
Yeah.
Kreme glazed donut, but sweeter. I like Krispy Kreme, but they're pretty sweet. I like the texture though. Donuts are really soft and fresh.
okay, so there's a
You wanna
Wolfie
try
right
this
here.
No, that's the guy.
我等下
Wolfie is pretty good. It's a chocolate,
Wolfie.
a little bit of
Is it better than the pumpkin one? Pumpkin
Yeah.
glaze?
yeah. It's better. It's better than pumpkin one.
Okay.
There's a chocolate on top.
Mimi, you want to try these two?
It's sweet. Oh my God, super
You
sweet.
want to try? Look at this.
我等下再进啊。
Okay, this one has jelly.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, let me try Wolfie.
We'll try Wolfie.
Okay.
So normally they will give 2 of them of each flavor, but
Because she doesn't like how this
I
looks.
really don't like the Wolfie look.
Yeah.
So the chef said, well, you can replace whatever you like. So I replaced the.
So she
the-
changed it
I
to
changed it to the Drake, which is filling with the raspberry one. Yeah, and then we keep one with the Wolfie. So
okay.
I'm glad I changed to the Drake. How was that, Eddie?
I don't know.
It's just a normal.
The icing is like chocolate, but it's not like chocolate. It's like Ovaltine flavor. It's like Ovaltine chocolate. It's not like chocolate flavor.
No.
I don't know, man. This is all too sweet for me from this point. They all taste the same now. But my favorite, I would have to say, probably Drake, right?
Okay, let's say it together.
Yeah, let's vote.
What's your favorite? Mimi, what's your favorite?
But she haven't tried these two. She haven't tried these two.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Mommy, what's your favorite?
Well, so far my favorite will be Drake.
Okay, Drake. How many stars?
Like 3.5.
Okay, 3.5 out of 5. Okay. And then which one?
And then next maybe
Frankenstein, Wolfie.
I don't know. I think the rest of them I will give them
All
just
the same. Like
all the same.
two,
all the
just
same.
same.
Just two.
Okay.
stars.
So 3.5 on Drake and the rest 2. For me, the Drake will get a 4 because I like it. It's actually really good. It's like a jelly donut but with some flavor. I give that a 4. The Frankenstein, I don't know, 2.5, and the rest just Krispy Kreme.
Okay.
Yeah, but I like the look of all these donuts though. It looks really nice.
Yeah, I love
it's
it
very,
too.
It's very Halloween.
Yeah, I
We
love
like it, so we want to try it.
Yeah.
我想吃看
Let you know.
Yeah, try it. Try
Okay.
it. Let's just try it.
So Paige is gonna try the pretzel. Yeah,
How's the pretzel? Mimi, try it.
yeah. See if you think.
Paige, try it.
Yeah, when we say Mei Mei, that's her. Okay, in Chinese that means little sister. So when we say Mei Mei, that's Paige.
Oh, look at her face.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
它不甜。
No.
Yeah, but it's a pretzel though. It's not supposed to be sweet. Do you like the
It's
pretzel?
just a pretzel. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's a no. Don't eat the pretzel.
Don't eat the pretzel.
And we like pretzel. We buy pretzel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have pretzel. We buy pretzel. Especially me and Paige. We buy pretzel and we eat them.
They always eat it.
Yeah, we always eat them. No.
Not this one. Yeah, I don't.
Okay. And for the free donut that Paige picked because she had her costume on. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Oh, she just choose a jelly donut, normal jelly donut, which she's not gonna eat right now because we already had 10, right? Okay, so we're gonna save that for later.
Yay!
Right, Paige?
Yeah.
We save that for later, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Are you gonna share this one? Are you gonna share? Huh?
That's mine.
What?
Okay, it's hers. It's not ours. We can eat it.
Are you gonna share with me?
Are you gonna share with mommy?
That's mine.
No.
What?
It's hers, okay?
What? Okay.
She's Billy. She's Jigsaw.
Oh.
She get to pick it, not us. We didn't dress up. We don't deserve it. We don't deserve it. Free donut.
You want some water?
Yeah, I need some water. Okay. All right. Thanks for
Thank
for
you.
watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, come along with us again.
Bye.
And happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
All right.
Happy Halloween. Bye.
Bye.